Okay, it is currently 10 o'clock at night and my drone has gone from this to this. And I'm racing tomorrow. I haven't test flown it. I just seen that the motor spin the right direction. It is 50 grams lighter than what I'm used to flying. This is the Din Drone's OZR-5X and I'm super excited to test it out tomorrow. Race number 4, let's go. Set for race number 4, the last race we're going to host this outdoor season. We have a semi-open technical track, looks fun. Dive gate of course is on place. 13 pilots, a lot of good pilots as well, so it's going to be hard at the top. Well, I'm not going to be at the top, but the others are. Once again, we're lucky enough to have 2 very good sponsors. Elefun, thank you. Gemfan, thank you. It's always nice to get some big names on board so we can give away some stuff, have some prizes and build up the community here as well. FPV in Norway had a little dip during COVID and it's been hard to get it back up, but it seems like more and more people are joining in again, upgrading their gear. Just got cold. The guys are coming out now to walk the track. Gemfan.
Ain't accepting ignore, just kicking down all the doors. Guaranteed, boy, if I ask for it, it's gotta be real big. I gotta make it just for my kids, and for their kids, it's kids. That's wealth, years and years. Promise my brother soon as he out and finished his bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big, jobs that's real big. Satan trying a little, my God is real big. Stayed up on the grind on the cars is real big. I gotta do it big, the only way that I can live. And I promise I'm trying to. Before you count me out, homie, let me remind you, they was blocking the shine. Now I think it's my time to. Counting them dollar signs like lights, they'll blind you. Let me rewind to back when I was broke and I couldn't acquire 2 cents, and now I got 2 rents. They was sleeping on me, homie, must have got too big. Call my phone, I be like, who this? Damn right, hell yeah, I'm brand new. Smell like can too. I'm fresh forever like canned food. Try and tell me what I can't do. I wanna see the world, my vision on Shamu. That mean I got goals that's real big, foes that's real big. Your offer too little, sorry, my soul is real big. Coming into the ring with blows that's real big. I gotta do it big, that's the only way I can live. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big, that's the only way to live. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Break time. Qualifiers done 4 rounds. Dive gate's going good. The only kind of weird part of the track is the flying up over and tilting up, going down again to a lower gate. Never done that before, but qualifiers has been going good with that. Still the dive gate I'm not very happy about, kind of scary, but learning by doing. Fun. All the guys are happy. and we couldn't have been more lucky with the weather actually. Grass is drying up. Everybody's having a blast. That's what it's all about, having fun. Eating time, and then we are gonna continue the qualifying. Qualifiers over. D final. I got the D final, right?
No, it's the F final.
Yeah, but I'm in D.
You're in D.
A, B, C, D, E, F. So not the first one and not the last one.
Yeah, and you have an advantage because you have the best
qualifying time.
Yeah.
All right. So not that bad. How about you, Adam? Are you happy?
We are duel, right?
It's a duel.
1-to-1 duel.
Yeah, with swords.
Spread. Satan! Oi! Faen, jeg skvatt nå!
Whew, what a day. So back from the competition, it went way better than I thought it would go with the new frame and everything like that. 50 grams makes a huge difference when flying. I started off slow since I didn't know the frame, just kept my lines consistent, tried to remember the track at my best knowledge, but screwed up a few times still. I ended up in the D final and I actually worked my way all up to the B final, and that's huge for me. So happy, all in all, very happy. This was the last competition we're gonna host this season, outdoors at least. Maybe we'll put up something indoors. Can't wait to compete more. Thank you to all our sponsors, Elefun, that gave us some giveaways, and same to Gemfan. It makes a huge difference that we have some brands that are backing us up. Oh, the weather here in Norway now is going to turn gray and wet. We're still going to be flying indoors. We have a sick whoop setup with LED gates and all that jazz. More videos to come. Until then.
Look at my horse is amazing. Give it a lick.
It tastes just like raisins.
Have a stroke of its mane, it turns into a plane, and then it turns back again when you tug on its wing.
Ooh, that's dirty.
Do your thing so